Hello students, today will we discuss about basic skills of listening. ओके आज का हमारा टॉपिक क्या है? बेसिक स्किल्स जो होते हैं वो 4 टाइप्स होते हैं, लिसनिंग, स्पीकिंग, रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग. अब हम पढ़ेंगे सबसे पहले लिसनिंग के बारे में. ओके, एवरी लैंग्वेज हैज़ 4 बेसिक स्किल्स: लिसनिंग, स्पीकिंग, रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग. Every learner needs to master these skills in order to learn a language. Listening is the most important because the newborn child's first experience of language is listening. जो नवजात बच्चा होता है उसका फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस क्या होता है? सुनना. Prior to speaking is listening. When the child hears a language, he is able to imitate and learns to speak. This is one of the reasons why deaf children are the mostly dumb, since they are unable to listen. They cannot speak. The inability to speak hinders in the learning of reading and writing. Therefore, listening is the base for learning the skills of speaking, reading, and writing. According to Emerald Decant, listening occurs only when the pupil organizes and remembers what is heard. The Dictionary of Education writes, listening is the art. Listening क्या है? एक आर्ट है. Of paying close attention to the conversation of another person or person in order to obtain selectively verbal and non-verbal clauses to behavior patterns explicit or implicit. Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary defines listening as to hear someone or something attentively. फर्स्ट इसके कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स क्या हैं? लिसनिंग इज वॉलेंट्री. इट रिक्वायर्स थिंकिंग, मेमोरी, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ थॉट्स, इंटेलिजेंस, एक्सेट्रा. It is thought generating, gives birth to several thoughts that range from of sadness, happy, disgusted, excited, etc. Listening to the news about an earthquake or a tragic plane crash. Listening needs concentration and attention. We will not be able to understand something if proper attention is not paid. There is a close relationship between listening and speaking. If anything is spoken, then only it can be listened to. So speaking and listening go together. The ears and brain both are involved in the process of listening. The sounds are received by the ear and the brain process is to tell the meaning. Saint Francis de Sales said, heart speaks to heart, whereas language only speaks to the ears. नेक्स्ट है एम्स. इसके क्या एम्स हैं? टू अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ वर्ड्स, फ्रेजेस एंड सेंटेंसेज. टू अंडरस्टैंड सिंपल सेंटेंसेज, क्वेश्चंस, रिक्वेस्ट, एक्सेट्रा. To discover discourse features, to discover the mood and attitude of the speaker through tone and intonation. Next, importance of listening. Listening is the first language related to process that the human being does. Among the 4 basic skills for learning language, listening is the first and the foremost skill acquired by the infant. Thereafter, the learning of the following skills, the speaking, reading, writing, takes place in this order. The importance of listening are learning of the language, यानी इसके लैंग्वेज लर्निंग में इसकी इम्पोर्टेंस है. लैंग्वेज कैन नॉट बी लर्न विदाउट लिसनिंग. आफ्टर लिसनिंग टू द एल्डर्स रेगुलरली फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, द चाइल्ड बिगिन टू अंडरस्टैंड द वर्ड्स. थ्रू इमिटेशन ग्रेजुअली स्टार्ट्स स्पीकिंग द वर्ड्स, phrases and sentences of the language. Next, helps in learning pronunciation. The listener learns the pronunciation from the speaker. The listener's mind catches the pronunciation of the words spoken by the speaker and learns them. Next, helpful in learning stress, intonation and rhythm. Listening helps in two ways. A good listener is able to catch the pronunciation and also observes the stress, intonations and rhythm of the speaker. That helps the listener in understanding the meaning of the spoken content. At the same time, the listener understands the use of stress, intonations, etc. That helps him to speak or read aloud when he speaks or reads aloud. Next, helpful in speaking. The infant learns to speak while listening to the words, phrases, and sentences. By imitating, he is able to copy the words and sounds spoken and with time understands the meaning. Next, listening makes the mind active. While listening, the listener's mind is active. It tries to catch the speaker's pronunciation, catch the rhythm, intonations, stress of the speaker. Listening helps in learning the grammar, sentence structure, number, gender, etc. The listener observes the speaker's language repeatedly and in process learns the grammar. Next, paves the path to speaking and reading. Once the child listens to the language, he learns to speak. जब बच्चा भाषा सुनना सीखता है तब वह बोलना भी सीखता है. As a child grows older, tries to learn reading, he recalls the listened words, phrases and sentences that assist him in reading. Listening paves the path for speaking and reading. Next, listening improves the language. The poor standard of English language is mainly due to the fact that the students listen to English language for a short time. In the junior classes, since only one period of 35 to 40 minutes is allotted for English, the children get very less time for listening and speaking. The result is poor standard of English. Long hours of listening is vital for good language development. Next heading है difference between listening and hearing. Often listening and hearing is taken as synonym, but there is a difference between our two. Listening is voluntary while hearing is involuntary. We hear the sound of bursting of cracker. We do not listen to it. The sounds that we hear are those which are impotently hear even if we do not want to. Next, the listening involves effort. Listening requires effort while hearing is effortless. Without making effort, the listening is not possible. Next, attention and concentrations. Attention and concentration is all necessary for the listening while hearing happens totally without attention and concentrations. Next, listening consumes time. Listening is time consuming while hearing is a momentary. Hearing happens all of a sudden and is unexpected while listening is gradual and it takes time. नेक्स्ट हेडिंग है नेग्लेक्ट ऑफ लिसनिंग स्किल, यानी लिसनिंग स्किल को नेग्लेक्ट क्यों किया जाता है. द लिसनिंग स्किल हैज बीन नेग्लेक्टेड एंड अंडरस्टिमेट फॉर लॉन्ग. स्टूडेंट्स, पेरेंट्स, टीचर्स, द एजुकेशनिस्ट एंड द लैंग्वेज एक्सपर्ट्स पेड लेस अटेंशन ऑन दिस स्किल. Whatever emphasis was given was in theory only. Various state board of secondary education have given little importance to listening in their curriculum and the examination system. Causes of neglect of listening skill, यानी इसके क्या कारण हैं listening skill को neglect करने के. First, misconceptions. There is a big misconceptions among the students, parents and teachers who consider the process of listening as a passive skill. They are misconceived. Next है listening done for a short time. For the listening to take place, there should be some form of speaking. No speech, no listening. For speech, a speaker is required, and in Indian context, to get a speaker is difficult. Therefore, listening is usually for a short time. Next, hesitation and fear to speak English. Listening procedure. Speaking, a listener needs a speaker. Most of the students hesitate to speak English because they are afraid of making mistakes. This fear prevents the students from speaking English and thereby less opportunity to listen English. Next, a home environment. Most of the home environment does not promote speaking and listening of English language. Simple words and phrases like sorry, excuse me, see you, good morning, good night, etc. are the extent to which English is spoken in most of the homes. The neglect is then obvious. Next, lack of students' interest. Most of the students have little interest in learning English due to lack of audio visual teaching aids. Here the role of the teacher is very important. They should try to develop and inculcate the habit of learning, speaking and listening English. Okay. Next poor standard of English. Most of the Indian schools have low standard of English. The teacher explains the meaning of the English word, phrases and sentences in mother tongue. The student therefore get fewer opportunity to speak and listen in English. Reasons for poor listening. Physical defect in the auditory organ, physical and mental ailments. The causes: poor hearing and listening. Lack of oral work in schools hardly gives any opportunity for children to speak and listen. Okay. Less of dictation practice. Dictation is the best and the most effective method for ear training. Lack of audiovisual aids in schools. Poor confidence level of students. Less opportunity to listen to English in the schools and at home. Okay. Dull, difficult passage or stanza, fast reading pace of the teacher, low IQ level of students. इस टाइप के रीजन्स हो सकते हैं. ओके. किसी भी लिसनिंग सीखने के लिए. ओके. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.